All right, so here's a question that a student who's doing some SAT prep was looking at. It sort of pulls from Algebra 1, where you look at finding the domain from just a relation, a set of X and Y number values. But it's got this inverse idea, and so that adds a little element to it. So we have to know a couple of things. We have to understand that the domain is the input or X values from a function, in this case, just a relation. So it's a set of coordinate points. But in the inverse, you swap the Y and the X, or the X and the Y. And so we're going to say, these are the Y values. These are the X values. And so then we would find the domain, and the domain is going to be all of these values of the new X, I guess we could say. So the domain for the inverse here would be, let's see, -6. I'm going to put them in order to -2, -1, 3, slide that over some more, and 7. And that would be the domain for the inverse of this relation. All right, I hope that helps, whether you're looking at inverses in Algebra 2 or somewhere else, and or if you're just doing some SAT prep. All right, see you next time.